Hi, this is Derek with Automatic Door and Hardware. Today what we have is an unboxing of the B200 series push plates. This has the Handicap logo with the press to operate door. The B200 series is 4.5 inch. It's defined by its 2 screws here on the surface, and that is how you are able to take the unit apart. There is a cherry switch on the back. And also in the box is an accessory bag which comes with flag connectors for making connections onto that cherry switch, as well as mounting screws to mount onto the box. This piece right here is a weatherization piece for the actual cherry switch, and I can show you how to use it right now. So what you do is, if you know the plate is going to be outside and exposed to the elements, you can see right in there, there's a plunger, which is what activates the switch on the back. That plunger is exposed. So they include this rubber gasket to cover up that exposed portion and sort of weatherproof the plate for exterior applications. So all you do is you pop off these 2 screws on the faceplate. Come right off, and then here's what it looks like inside. If you wanted to replace your cherry switch, you have a nut right here you can loosen up, pull the cherry switch out, put in the new one, and lock it back down. This is captive, this plate, which the base plate bolts to. It's captive, does not come out. And here is the little rubber gasket here. Just slips right over the top, and then you can put the plate back together, putting in the 2 screws. Now, one unique thing that the B200 does come with, because these are Phillips head screws on the faceplate, which you can use if you're okay with that, but sometimes for security applications, people don't want the Phillips screws on the plate. Okay, cut that. Okay, cut that portion, because apparently they don't come with the security ones anymore.
Okay.
Weird.
Okay.
Okay. And then you simply just put the unit back together by depressing the plate on there and lining up the screws. There you go. Then you have it weatherized.